gentlemen, and welcome once again to another special serving of your Philippines Football League 2024 PFL on the Rise. My name is Jamer De La Cruz and I'll be commentating for this matchup. Ito na yung ikalawang home game ng Kaya FC Iloilo dito sa Campo Alcantara. Last time itong si Konate hindi kasama dito sa lineup. Makukuha na naman ang depensa ng Kaya FC pero babalik sa Philippine Air Force ang bola with John Bernard Delariarte. Delariarte with a strike papunta kay Walid Biru on the left side. Kasama dito si Konate. Nakuha ng depensa ng Air Force ang bola. Mark swings to naman. Babalik dito kay Marwin Angeles with a strike. Marwin Angeles hits the crossbar. First real test coming from Kaya. Jovin Bedic. Salenga. Maaagawan ni Konate. Long ball papunta sa harap. Harvey Gayoso. 1-on-1. Harvey Gayoso. Save nitong si Zaldi Abraham. 0-0 pa rin ang ating tala. Eric Eso. Eso with the through ball. Papunta rito kay Jovin Bedic. Bedic ibinalik kay Eric Eso. Eso to the left side for Konate. 1-2 with Jovin Bedic. Bedic with the cross inside the box. Harvey Gayoso with a pass to Marwin Angeles. And that's the opening goal para sa Kaya FC Iloilo. Great passage of movement. Great pass. Great layoff. Galing dito kay Harvey Gayoso. Papunta kay Marwin Angeles. And on the 15-minute mark, maglalabas nitong bola para sa Philippine Air Force. Long ball. Naghahanap ng papasahan. A strike from Konate. Pinasa dito sa harapan. Good 1-2 na naman para sa Kaya FC Iloilo. Umaatake na naman ang Kaya. And that is the second goal for Kaya FC Iloilo. I believe that's Harvey Gayoso who scored the second goal of the match for Kaya, of course, FC. John Bernard Delariarte. Tumira sa labas. Nakakuha ni Walid Biru. Oh, may contact nga. Itong si Walid Biru kay Dari Poderoso. Mukhang medyo kalmado ang panahon at hindi nagbibigay ng pangalawang cooling break itong referee natin. Pasa na naman papasok dito kay Harvey Gayoso na makakascore na naman ng ikalawang goal niya dito sa ating laro. So from 6 goals up to 8 goals na itong si Harvey Gayoso in the Philippines Football League. What a pass that was. Fitch Arboleda, 1-2 with Mark Swainston. Good through ball. Papunta naman dito kay Fitch Arboleda. Still with Arboleda. Now with Eric Eso. Eso 1-2 with Jovin Bedic. Bedic to Eso. Eso with a strike. Saved. Long ball forward. Hinahanap itong si Harvey Gayoso. Nanggigil itong si Harvey for his third goal. Air Force FC. Jed Delariarte with a strike. Block. Another one off to the roof. Here's a delivery from Jan Delariarte and Kenry Balobo. Naghahanap ng papasahan nitong si Marwin Angeles. Header towards Jovin Bedic onto the right side for Jan Meliza. First touches of the ball for the substitute. Jovin Bedic inside looking for Jan Meliza. Ibinalik dito kay Konate. Jan Meliza gives the signal. And here's the swinger. Good pass and another goal for Kaya FC Iloilo. And look who scored that goal. Seems like it's Marvin Sandiano. So, correction, that's Marvin Sandiano. Nabigyan pa nga ng yellow card but he wouldn't mind. From our stadium announcer that it is Marvin Sandiano who scored the fourth goal of the match. At tuloy-tuloy na itong abante ng Kaya FC kontra Philippine Air Force FC. As Robert Lopez Mendy wins the ball, dribbles past one, Zaldi Abraham into the box for Harvey Gayoso, pero lalagpas yung bola, makukuha ulit ni Harvey Gayoso inside the box, headed away by Glenn Bulaquina. Another chance, a strike. Park Young, another long ball forward. Harvey Gayoso putting on the pressure on Bebanco. Harvey Gayoso with a strike, and that seals the hat trick for Harvey Gayoso. Persistence is the key for Harvey as he gets his hat trick. Good curling ball from the number 18, the King Eagle himself. Ito na naman ang Kaya with Robert Lopez Mendy asking for a foul, and a foul has been given. So that will be a penalty for Kaya FC Iloilo. FC. Ko-confirm pa natin kung sino yung iba pang substitution, but there it is. Or so we thought. So retake daw, sabi ni referee. Ang mga fans ng Kaya FC Iloilo dun sa likod, hindi biro lang. Harvey Gayoso scores his 4th goal of the game. And now, he has scored goal number 10 in the Philippines Football League 2024 season. And they're looking to bounce back sa mga susunod nilang laro, as this game may have already gotten out of hands of Philippine Air Force FC. At ito na naman ang Kaya with Conate. Couldn't get it through. Papunta ngayon dito kay Abraham. Is there a goal? Will that be counted as a goal? Yes, it is. Philippine Air Force FC. And they're still looking to add one more to it as they're winning the ball once again. Robert Lopez Mendy passing it to the path of Harvey Gayoso, pero may bounce papunta kay Marvin Angeles. Quick 1-2 for Kaya, and Marvin Angeles scores his brace to get their 8th goal of the match. Out of danger. Throw in for Kaya. Akito Saito. Binasa sa gitna. Mark Swainston towards the goal. Nakuha ni Abraham ang bola. Babalik na naman sa Kaya ang bola with Jan Meliza. To the middle for Robert Lopez Mendy. Gets it past the goalkeeper, and Lee Do-kyung caps off a magnificent counter-attack for Kaya FC Iloilo. That's goal number 9 for Kaya FC Iloilo, scored by player number 9. Akito Saito with a long ball forward. Hinahanap ulit itong si Harvey Gayoso, who's chasing goal number 5 in this matchup. Lee Do-kyung. After this homestand, mukhang magpapahinga muna for the next match weekend itong Kaya FC Iloilo. Shown by Marvin Angeles as they take the ball away again from Philippine Air Force FC. Robert Lopez Mendy on the counter-attack. Glenn Bulaquina is there to cover. Still with Mendy. Goes down. No foul is called. Blocked by Zaldi Abraham. Marvin Angeles with a curler of a shot, pero masyadong malakas. And Kaya FC Iloilo is successful in their home stand here in Campo Alcantara with 9 goals in this match against Philippine Air Force FC.